Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. You're currently watching the video demonstration for order number 816767. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the Corsair 760T. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Corsair Hydro H60 liquid cooling unit. That is cooling an Intel Core i7-4790K processor. Beside that you have 16 GB of Kingston HyperX 1600 MHz RAM, and that is being cooled by a blue Kingston HyperX memory cooler. For your graphics card, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 970. And below your graphics card is your 150 megabits per second network adapter. All your components have been installed on an ASUS Z97A motherboard. For lighting in the system, you selected an NZXT Hue color-changing LED strip. And for wire management, you selected individually sleeved blue cables. Powering your system is a standard 800-watt power supply. And for storage, you selected a Corsair Neutron GTX 120GB SSD, along with a secondary 2TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Taking a look at the front of your computer, starting from the top, you have your headphone and mic jack, your fan LED switch, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, your reset button and power button. Below that you have your DVD writer, the control panel for your NZXT Hue lighting system, and your all-in-one media card reader. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top. You have an HDMI port, display port, DVI and VGA, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 4 USB 3.0 ports, PS2, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. Below that we have the ports for your graphics card. You have DVI, 3 mini display, and a mini HDMI, and the antenna for your wireless adapter. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, you'll see your 120GB SSD along with your secondary 2TB hard drive. In System Properties, Windows 8.1 is your operating system. For your processor, you have the Intel Core i7-4790K and 16GB of RAM. And in Device Manager, your Nvidia Geforce GTX 970 and your 150 megabits per second network adapter. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com.